Look at this WAEC question that says that figure 2 shows a polygon side PQ equals QR 40 millimeters, PT equals RS 60 millimeters, and ST equals 80 millimeters. Question Roman figure 1 says draw the given polygon. Roman figure 2, draw a triangle equal in area to the polygon. And question Roman figure 3, measure and state all the sides of the triangle. That is the question. Let's quickly work it out right now. All right, so we need to reconstruct that. We need to draw the triangle, the polygon as given to us. So to do that, so what we are to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So here we have horizontal line, so like this. And then, so as we have that side PQ is 40 millimeters, so let's take 40 millimeters on this line. So let me come to this side a bit. Okay, all right, so here we have, so from 0 so to 4 is 40 millimeters. That is for PQ. So let's label this point. So this is point P here. Okay, and here we have this point to be point Q. Okay, so we have this now. All right, so then if you look at what we have here, we have this line PT being at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal, and this line QR at angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So what we are to do, so with the set square, we can bring out the line. So coming to this side, so with the 60-degree side of the set square, so I can draw a line from point P in this direction. Okay, then for 30, so with 30 degrees set square, so I can bring out line QR. So by using the set square, so placing like this. Okay, I will draw this line in this direction at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. Now let's take the measurement of the lines. Okay, so we have that QR is also 40 millimeters. So I will take 40 millimeters here. So the ruler, I'm taking 40 millimeters. This is 40 millimeters. Okay. Then we also have that we have PT. So PT is 60 millimeters. So I need to take 60 millimeters. So this is not up to 60 millimeters yet. So I need to extend this line. And then here I have 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters. So we have this. All right. So then let's label this point. This is point R here. So here we have this point to be point R. And then so we add this point to be point T. Okay, so we have this now. So we also have other parts to, or other sides to construct. That is side ST and side RS. Okay, so here we have that RS is 60 millimeters. RS is 60 millimeters. So with the compass, take 60 millimeters on the ruler. So you have to use compass to get this. So take 60 millimeters for RS. Okay, so with the compass like this. Okay, so then put the pin or the compass at point R here. Put the pin of the compass at point R, and then so you draw an arc like this. Okay, so draw an arc here. And then we also have ST. ST is 80 millimeters. So with the compass, take 80 millimeters on the ruler. So this is all right, so this is 80 millimeters. So put the pin or the compass here at T, and then so draw an arc like this. Okay, so here we have this point to be point S. So this point is point S here. Okay, so as we have it here now, so we are going to join. So we join this together. So we join joining ST together with a straight line. So we have this. Okay, all right, so and then so we join RS together. So we join RS together. So we have this. Okay, so here we have this. Okay, all right, so we have replicated the polygon that we are given. We have replicated it as we are asked to draw the given polygon. So we have answered question Roman figure 1. So let's go to Roman figure 2 that says that we should draw a triangle that's equal in area to this polygon. So to draw a triangle that is equal in area to this polygon, so we need to extend this line. So we need to extend this horizontal line to this side. So take it to this side, and also extend this line, extend it to this side like this. Okay, we have this now. All right, so then what we have to do next is that we are going to join this point P and point S together, and we join Q and S together. So this is what I mean. So draw a line to join point P and S together like this. Okay, so we join this together and then draw a line to join Q and S together. So here we join this together like this. All right, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is very simple. Just listen to me. It's very simple. When it's come to drawing a particular shape equal in area to a particular shape, so it's very simple. On my playlist on my YouTube channels, I have work like that. So where I work on different different plane figures that are equal in area to a particular plane figure. So please just open the playlist and watch the videos. So they are very simple. So just follow me. So now, so let's see how we can draw a triangle that is equal in area to this polygon. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is this. Very simple. So take your protractor, take your set square, take the set square, set the set square along this line PS, and then support it with the ruler. So what we want to do is that we want to draw a line at this point S, okay, and we touch this line, and that line will be parallel to this line PS. We are drawing a line from this point S here, touching this horizontal line, and that line will be parallel to this line PS. That's what we want to do. So with the set square being set along line PS, and then we support it with the ruler. So support it with the ruler like this. Okay, so I'm using the set square. So so we set like this. Okay, all right, so then shift the set square. So shift the set square. So let me set it again. Okay, so I want to make sure it's well set. So set the set square along line PS and then support it with the ruler like this. Then shift the set square, shift it to point T. Okay, so you can see me moving it to point T. I need to come back. I can see that it's not really okay. So all right, so it's okay like this. Okay, so we now shift the set square. We slide it to point C, so it goes like this to point C. All right, so we get to this point. Okay, so we draw a line from here. So let it touch this line. Okay, so let's call this line. So I'm going to call this point, I will call it point U. So I'll call it point U as we have it here. All right, so then again, we are going to draw a line at this point R, okay, touching this horizontal line, and that line will be parallel to this line QS. So what we are to do again, so we set the set square along this line QS. So we set it along this line QS like this, okay. Set the set square along the line QS and then support it with the ruler, and then you move the set square to point R. So bring it to point R here, and then so draw this line like this. Okay, so I'm going to call this point, I'll call it point V. So this is point V here. All right, so then the next thing that we are to do is to bring out the triangle, having done this now. So this line RV, so or VR is parallel to line QS, and also so this line UT so is also parallel to line PS. So let's take note of that. All right, so now to bring out the triangle whose area will be equal to the area to the area of this polygon, what we have to do, so join US together. Okay, join US together like this. Okay, so we have this, and then so join VS together, so we have this. All right, so we have this now. Then let's make this line UV, so let's make it a thick line. Okay, so bring out the triangle properly. Okay, so this is it. All right, so the triangle, so whose area is equal to the area of the given polygon is triangle USV. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So thank you and God bless you.